Hi, this is Josh with Lakeland Mills Incorporated. Today we will be assembling a cedar log lounge chair model number CF1126. Once you get your box, you will want to sort all the pieces, making sure that everything is there and that nothing got damaged in shipping. As you sort through the pieces, you may see that some of them have cracks. This is actually called checking. This is a normal part of the drying process and adds to the rustic beauty of the cedar furniture. After you are done sorting the pieces, you will then take the back and insert the dowels into the holes of the seat, and using a rubber mallet or a hammer and a block of wood, gently tap the back into the seat. Next, take the logs that make up the leg and arm assembly and assemble them as you see in the video, making sure that both of the holes in the legs point the same direction. With the chair on its side, place the leg arm assembly into the doweled ends of the seat and tap it in gently. Every once in a while, people ask us if they should use glue to secure the dowel joints along with the screws, and our answer to that is no. Should something happen later on and you need to get a replacement part, it'll be harder to replace that part if all your joints are glued together. Set the chair in an upright position on a level surface, and when the legs are in the proper position, bring the arm in against the upright. Tighten the pre-installed lag screw into the pilot hole in the arm, and you may have to wiggle the seat forwards or backwards a little bit to get them to line up. Next, install your angle braces against the leg and the seat bottom. Next, you will secure all of the dowel joints with the 2.5-inch screws that are provided. If you have screws left over, go back through the chair and make sure that you didn't miss any. Now would be a good time to finish your chair with a good oil-based penetrating deck sealant, or you can leave it unfinished and it'll weather to a natural gray color. Thank you so much for watching. We hope that this video may have answered any questions or concerns you had in putting your chair together. Should you still have any questions, feel free to contact our customer service department at 1-800-427-5136, and they will be more than happy to answer any questions. Thank you again for watching, and we hope you have a great day.